In this video, I'll show you how to crop images in Photopea step by step in 2026. Cropping helps you remove unwanted areas, improve composition, and prepare images for social media, YouTube, websites, or printing. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Photopea. Click Open from Computer * and select the image you want to crop. Once the image appears in the workspace, you're ready to begin. Next, select the ** crop tool from the toolbar on the left side of the screen. A crop box will appear around your image. Drag the corners or edges to choose the part of the image you want to keep. If you need a specific size or aspect ratio, use the options at the top of the screen. You can choose common ratios such as **1, 1** for Instagram, **16, 9** for YouTube, or enter your own custom dimensions. Move the crop box to frame your subject perfectly. Make sure the most important part of the image stays inside the selected area. You can also straighten a tilted image before applying the crop if necessary. Once you're satisfied with the selection, press *Enter or click the checkmark to apply the crop. Photopea will instantly remove the unwanted areas and keep only the selected portion of your image. Take a moment to review the cropped image. If you want additional improvements, you can adjust brightness, contrast, colors, or add text and graphics before exporting. Finally, click **, File **, choose **, Export as **, select **JPG** or PNG**, adjust the quality if needed, and save the cropped image to your computer. That's how to crop images in Photopea in 2026. If this tutorial helped you, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Photopea tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.